Check if the doorbell has sufficient battery power. Press the doorbell and wait for the base station to issue the voice prompt ding dong. Now ding dong voice prompt. Please use the accompanying charging cable to charge the doorbell. 2. Confirm the distance between the base station and the device. The doorbell base station should be located within 10-15 feet. And router and minimize the intervening walls and other obstacles. 3. Check firmware update. Click on the settings of this device. Find firmware update. 4. Change Wi-Fi. If using a memory card, you need to remove the memory card and then put it back in after successful network configuration. Click on the settings of this device. Find Change Wi-Fi. Follow the steps to reconfigure the network. Only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is supported. Alternatively, use another phone to set up a hotspot and connect the device for testing. 5. Delete the device and restore factory settings. Delete the device in settings and then add it back. Please note that deleting the device restores it to factory settings and also removes data from the cloud. If there are important cloud recordings, it is recommended to download them before deletion. Thank you for watching.